I would like to thank the company for giving me the opportunities to interview for the position today. My name is Arhel Anama. I am 23 years old and I currently live in Karangalas, Trocanta, Rizal. Now I would like to describe myself as an enthusiastic, hardworking employee without a working experience. I learned from my previous work skill job. I believe have the skills and qualities to this job description. You are working for the perform highly in this role. I have experience of working with my troops. I am a person who always seek and I'm confident in my ability to contribute the success of my company, team or organization. I will be more than happy to bring my little bit skill set to make a meaningful impact in this world.